If you are facing the issue of the Move to iOS code not showing up, please check this video to fix it. Fix 1. Switch to a stable network. Make sure your Android device and iPhone are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If the signal is weak, consider switching to a more stable network or moving closer to the router. Additionally, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Fix 2. Charge both devices. Move to iOS. Data transfer consumes a significant amount of power, so make sure your devices have sufficient battery. Check the battery levels of both your Android and iPhone, ensuring that both devices have more than 50% battery. If the battery is low, connect both devices to a charger and try again once the battery is sufficiently charged. Fix 3. Update both devices. Make sure both your Android and iPhone devices are running the latest software versions. Updating the system can fix some potential issues that may cause the Move to iOS not showing code. On your Android device, go to Settings, System Update to check for and install the latest updates. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Fix 4. Check the device compatibility. Move to iOS requires devices to meet certain compatibility requirements. If the devices do not meet these requirements, it may result in the code not appearing. Ensure your Android device is running Android 4.0 or higher. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 9.0 or higher. If your Android device or iPhone is running an outdated operating system, try updating to the latest version. Fix 5. Restart both devices. Sometimes a simple device restart can resolve most issues. Try restarting both your Android device and iPhone, then reopen the Move to iOS app. To restart Android, press and hold the power button on your Android device, then select Restart. To restart iPhone, restarting your iPhone depends on the model you have. For iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and newer Face ID models, press and hold the side button and either volume button up or down until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn the phone off. Wait about 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6, 7, 8, and SE2 end or 3rd gen, press and hold the side button on the right side until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then hold the side button again to turn it back on. For iPhone SE1 Street Gen, 5 seconds or earlier, press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off. After it turns off, press and hold the top button to turn it back on. Fix 6. Uninstall and reinstall the Move to iOS app. If the app is having issues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Move to iOS app. This may resolve the problem of the Move to iOS code not showing up due to app crashes. Step 1. On your Android device, press and hold the Move to iOS app icon, then select Uninstall. Step 2. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Move to iOS, and download and install the app again.